In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move clips in CapCut on PC, step by step. This is one of the simplest editing skills to learn, but it makes a huge difference when you're trying to reorganize your timeline, fix the pacing of a video, or move a clip into the perfect position. If you've ever wondered how to rearrange clips without deleting anything, this guide is for you. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your project in CapCut PC. Once your project is loaded, look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen. This is where all of your video clips are arranged in order. Find the clip that you want to move. You can click around the timeline and identify the exact clip you want to reposition, whether it's a video clip, an audio segment, or another piece of media in your project. Now click and hold the clip. As soon as you hold it down, you'll be able to drag it to a different spot in the timeline. Move it left if you want it earlier in the video, or move it right if you want it later. As you drag, CapCut will help show you where the clip can be placed, so take your time and line it up where you want it to go. This is especially useful if you're trying to tighten up your edit, reorder your scenes, or place a transition in a better spot. Once you've found the new position, simply release the mouse button to drop the clip in place. CapCut will automatically put the clip into its new spot, and your timeline will update right away. If needed, you can repeat the same process to move other clips around, until your sequence looks exactly the way you want it. And that's it. Moving clips in CapCut is that easy. Just open your project, find the clip, click and hold, drag it to the new position, and release to place it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.